Welcome back to Reading with Miss Michelle. Today we're going to read It's Raining Tacos by Parry Gripp, illustrated by Peter Emmerich. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me. This book is based on the hit song It's Raining Tacos. Don't forget to help us out by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with all of your friends. It's my birthday. It's going to be great. Birthday with pizza and cake. All of my friends will come celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday. For my birthday, I've got a new pet, a doggie. Oh, she is the best, the biggest, fluffiest pooch that I've met. A dog for my birthday. It's my party. Outside in the sun, we play games, we jump, and we run. Prizes and fun for everyone. What a great party! Oh no! No, 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 no! Doggie, what did you do? Oh! Oh no! No, 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 no! Not the pepperoni too! Oh! Oh, it's my birthday. What can I do? There's cake and happy birthday to you. Do birthday wishes really come true? I'll make a wish for my birthday. I blow out the candles. What is that sound? Thump, thunk, on the roof really loud? Look outside. What's that on the ground? It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Yes, it's my birthday. It turned out great. Birthday, we ate tacos and cake with my friends and my dog to help celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday. The end. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed listening to this book, and I hope you were able to read along with me. Don't forget to help us out by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with all of your friends. I hope you join me next time. Bye.